basically the supply and demand model again with just different notation. QD equals alpha minus beta P. QS equals minus gamma plus delta P. And an equilibrium condition. And we solve it using a process of elimination of variables. Set QD equal to QS, and we can write add gamma to both sides. Alpha plus gamma, and add beta P to both sides. Factor out the price on the right-hand side. And now divide both sides by beta plus delta. And we get our equilibrium price. P star is alpha plus gamma over beta plus delta. So that's the answer to part A. Solve for the equilibrium price means to solve price in terms of the parameters. Solve for the equilibrium quantity. Once you've got P star, it's easy to get Q star. You could substitute into either the demand curve or the supply curve. If I substitute into the demand curve, we would get Q star equals alpha minus beta P star. When price is at its equilibrium value, quantity will be at its equilibrium value. In fact, the equilibrium price is the price that equates quantity demanded in quantity. Generates the equilibrium quantity. So all you have to do is now substitute your result in for P star, and you get Q star equals alpha minus beta times P star, which is alpha plus gamma, over beta plus delta. This would be an acceptable answer right here. But if you want to simplify this a little bit, you could algebraically manipulate this result by getting a common denominator for these two terms. The denominator for the second term is beta plus delta. So you could rewrite this as Q star equals alpha times beta plus delta over beta plus delta. Beta plus delta over beta plus delta is just 1. So you can multiply alpha by 1, and it leaves the value of alpha the same. Minus beta times alpha plus gamma over beta plus delta. Now these two terms have the same denominator, so you can just subtract the numerators. And rewrite this as alpha times beta plus delta minus beta times alpha plus gamma, all over beta plus delta. If two terms have the same denominator, you can add or subtract it. This can be further simplified a little bit by notice if you multiply this out, notice you get alpha beta minus alpha beta here. So this numerator will simplify to alpha times delta minus beta times gamma, all over beta plus delta. And that would be our simplified expression for Q star. Notice Q star here is expressed as a function of the friend.